used to love these pants. I fear it's time to let them go. You know what?
Ma'am? No. No. Don't. Donation. Ma'am.
I might wear it again.
No, you won't.
I think I'll wear it again. Hey guys, it's Joselle. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Also, please like this video. Liking the video really does help with the algorithm and helps my channel grow. So just help me out a little bit and like this video. And let's just get into the video. So today I'm going to be finally cleaning my room. And yeah, I just want to get rid of some clothes. So yeah, this intro is too long already. So let's just get into it because I gotta start cleaning. So the first thing I'm doing is just taking all my clothes from off the top of the bucket, also my pillows and stuff. Taking my pillows to my parents' room so they'll be out of my way. And now I'm just taking all my clothes out of that little bucket thing and just putting them onto my bed. It's just so much easier for me to organize it when it's like out of there, obviously. Okay, all my clothes are out of this thing here. Now I'm kind of just going through it and looking at stuff I want to keep, what I don't want to keep. I was not feeling these pants no more, so they had to go. Of course, I'm keeping my kente skirt. Those pants, I'm not even gonna talk about those pants. They have to go. They have to go. They have to go. I actually made those pants with a matching top, so we love to see it. I used to love these pants. Girl, ain't nobody care. Donation. You know what? Ma'am? No. No. Don't. Donation. Ma'am. I might wear it again. I think I'll wear it again.
You won't. But basically all I was doing was just taking the clothes I want to donate and just putting them into another bag. I'm honestly really good at donating clothes. I just don't like clutter, and so if there's clothes that I just have not worn in forever and I don't think I'll ever wear again, I'm gonna just donate it. There's sometimes I'll donate something a couple weeks later or even months later, I'm like, dang, I missed that shirt, I missed those pants. But you know what, it is what it is. Give it to someone else who is going to wear them right away. I got rid of a lot of stuff, a big old trash bag full of clothes and also a big old trash bag full of shoes too. I got rid of a lot of stuff. Okay guys, I'm back. I had to go to a prayer meeting, also went to go eat and everything. It's like 10 p.m. Yeah, I don't have time to finish this today, so what I'm gonna do now is just go through all of these clothes here, and anything that I want to donate, I'm gonna just put it in the donation bag and then just throw everything back in here, and then tomorrow I will come back and continue with this thing. Hey guys, it's been 2 days. Okay, so like yesterday I was gonna continue cleaning my room, but I was filming another video and that was like an all-day video, like a day in my life. Still looking like a mess over there. You know what? We move, we continue working. My hair looks very, very short today. It's very shrunken up today, so I guess you want to be short today. And we're gonna rock it. We're gonna rock this short style for today. But yeah, I'm gonna continue. It's so hot in my room. Not gonna do much talking today. Just like a time lapse, maybe like I'll do like a nice little voiceover or something, you know what I'm saying? Anywho, just to update y'all on what I've done so far. Let me sit down. So basically, all I've done is gone through this thing of clothes and took out all the clothes I wanted to donate because I was getting tired. Like, I know I said I was gonna come back, child. I went to bed. I went to sleep. I just took out the clothes that I was definitely gonna donate and also clothes that I was kind of on the fence about donating. So that's downstairs. All the clothes in here, for the most part, I'm pretty sure I want to keep all of these clothes. Now we're gonna go into sectioning. And right now, since it's summer, I'm gonna put all my winter clothes at the bottom and my summer clothes on top. And yeah, we're gonna just get into it. So like I said, I'm just sectioning off all my clothes on my bed. So I'm putting like the pants on one side and then shorts on another side and tops on one side, just so that I can have it organized on my bed. So it'll be much easier for me to just put it into my bucket, because if all the clothes are like all over the place, I'm gonna be digging through clothes trying to find my pants, you know what I'm saying? So I just like section it off into really rough sections on my bed, and that makes it just so much easier. It's kind of still all over the place, but basically here I have like my jeans, here I have like my fancy pants and like skirts. Here I have like my t-shirts. Here I have sweaters, like all my winter clothes. Here is stuff that shouldn't have been in here in the first place, like dresses, jackets, sweatshirts, whatever. Back there I have my shorts and like workout shorts, and then somewhere in there I have like my workout tank tops. Okay guys, update. This side is like my pants, this side is like all my tops. So at the very bottom of here, I have like my not fancy pants, my dress pants, or pants I just don't wear that often. On top I have my jeans and some shorts, and I have just like some yoga pants and then like these kind of pants here. Whatever leftover space I have, I'll just put like some of my workout shorts, my leggings there on this side. And yeah, but we're getting somewhere. I'm done for the day, okay? I'm done. It's already 10. I have 2 more hours until I'm gonna go to sleep. I wanna relax. I wanna relax. I'm gonna leave it like this for today. So these are the clothes that I just got from the washing machine. So they're nice and washed, you feel me? But as you can see, it's looking very nice and organized, and my clothes fit. All my clothes fit, which we love to see it.
Okay guys, it's been like days later, the next week, and I finally finished this. I have some clothes that I just put in the washing machine, so once those are washed, I'll just fill them up in here. These clothes here, some of them go in the drawers over there, some go in my closet, so I'm gonna just do that now.
So this is underneath my bed. Lots of shoes that I have not worn in forever and I need to get rid of, and also I need to organize this and make it look nice, and obviously fix the wooden parts of my bed because those wooden pieces just always come off, so we need to fix that. I lost the footage of me putting my shoes away. I don't know, maybe I just didn't record it. I don't even know. I have my little system. I don't know how to explain it, but it makes sense to me. As you can see, this is how it looks, very nice in sections. I'm glad I have this because now I can remember where all the shoes are because I'll be forgetting all the time. Now I'm just vacuuming my room as I should, just going all around the place. Once I took off my mattress, I did vacuum under there, I just didn't film it, but now I'm vacuuming the rest of the place, just everywhere, and it's just coming together. Now I'm gonna just do my finishing touches, bring my pillows back, my comforter back, and here's the finished room. Isn't it pretty? Look at my, I freaking love, like, literally my whole entire bed is pink. I'm obsessed with pink. I don't sleep with all those pillows. I don't. It's just there for decorations, you feel me? My bed looks really, really nice. We love to see it.
I finally got it done. I had to wash my blankets. My comforter still is actually kind of wet, so I'm gonna put it back in the dryer. But I just had to finish this video because it's been way too long. I had to start editing this video. Like, I feel like I can breathe now. Oh my gosh, my school t-shirt.
Yeah, so I realized I was wearing my school t-shirt, and you know what? I don't need y'all to know what school I go to. I just feel so much better in a clean space and organized space. So I'm really glad that I finally took the time to organize my room, make it look very, very, very nice and organized. But anyway, that is all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I just have so many other places I need to get organized, so if you want to see all of that, just let me know in the comment section down below and I'll definitely put that out for you guys. I mean, I'll probably film it either way, but I want to know if you guys actually want to see it. But again, that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.